Hi, I'm Landon.
And I'm Nick. And today we're doing the 7th Bucket of Christmas challenge at OPT. So this one's gonna be a Klein, Hougen, and Ariat bucket. So first item, Landon.
We got a Hougen sheet metal hole cutter kit.
Wow. Second item, we got an Ariat beanie, a black beanie with a skull. So, you know, if you're emo like me, it's perfect for you.
Next, we got a DeWalt koozie.
We got some nice little OPT merch right here.
Next, we got this invisible Hougen hat.
I don't see nothing you're holding.
Yeah, me neither.
We got this 3-bit thing. Got some Klein tools. It's a pro folding hex, key, and Torx set.
Next, we got a Klein 2-piece ratcheting quad wrench set. Not bad. Don't know what that is.
You don't know what a wrench is?
Wrench, quad wrench.
Okay. Next, we got another black item. So go emo people. This is my bucket here.
Next, we got another hat. It's gonna be Klein this time. I can see this one.
Sticking with the emo theme. You know, all black Ariat hat. Very nice. You might want to take your hat off, wear this one instead.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, you are bold.
Next, we got a Klein clock.
Next we got is this utility boroscope. You know, it comes with a hook, magnet, and mirror.
Next, we got a Klein 7-in-1 impact flip socket set.
We got an ICS mug. So, you know, if you're drinking coffee or some Hennessy at 7 a.m. We got a Klein drinky drink thing. I don't know if this is a mug or a water bottle, but it looks like it's a thermos kind of. So, you know, you can put some heated drinks in here. It'll be nice. Maybe some heated gear for the winter.
We do have one more special item for you.
All right, so, you know, this is a lot of kind of stuff to fit here in this bucket. So to help with that, because we're the best day, we got this Klein pack out mod box here.
Clock goes in here.
Okay, so right now we also have some deals going on where you can get 10% off all Ariat, Hougen, and Klein deals. If you want to visit our 12 Days of Christmas page, you can see what select items qualify for that as well.
You said Ariat right. Well, that's a wrap. Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays if you celebrate.